Hey viewers. Today's video we gonna let you know about 10 legit ways to make money on YouTube. There are many different ways to make money on YouTube, as I'll show you in this video. But all of them will only work when you consistently create high-quality content on your channel. The number one reason most people never make a sizable income from YouTube is that they create content for a few weeks or months and throw in the towel. You need to be patient and consistent if you want your channel to grow. Getting to your first 10,000 or 100k subscribers takes much longer than the next 100k. Why? Because as the number of videos grows on your channel, their collective viewership keeps increasing and fuels the growth of your subscriber base. This is why you need to patiently create content for the first few months before your channel starts getting noticed. And once the views start coming in, you can use any of the following methods to make money from your content. So before we continue, enjoy this video, please hit the like button, and subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming releases. Number 10. Flip YouTube channels to earn. You've heard of real estate flipping and even website flipping, right? YouTube channel flipping works the same way. You grow a YouTube channel, publish high-quality content regularly, increase your subscriber base, and start generating income from it. And then you sell it to someone for 30x to 60x your monthly earnings. That's YouTube channel flipping, and it's becoming a huge business these days. You can sell your channel by directly negotiating with a buyer or listing it on marketplace sites such as Flippa, Trustyu, or FameSwap. Number 9. Use fan funding to support your channel. Fan funding is another monetization method that more and more YouTube content creators are using these days. It's basically a way to crowdfund your YouTube channel by offering monthly memberships to your YouTube subscribers who want to support your work. With over 200,000 members, Patreon is the most popular platform YouTube creators use for fan funding. In addition to your regular YouTube content, you can offer your members exclusive content to provide additional value. Number 8. License your content to media companies. Suppose you're a travel vlogger who's shot stunning video footage of unseen places or run a viral content YouTube channel with unique videos. In that case, you can easily make thousands of dollars by licensing your work to different news channels and media companies. In fact, many media companies will reach out to you themselves if your content interests them. You can also upload them to a site like Jdkan Media, where you can make hundreds of dollars per license for your video content. Number 7. Launch your own branded merchandise. If you've built a sizable YouTube subscriber base, selling your own merchandise using Shopify or a WooCommerce store can be a great idea. I specifically mentioned Shopify because it makes the process of building and growing an e-commerce business much easier. For example, you could connect your Shopify store to sell t-shirts, mugs, caps, and other merchandise using a print-on-demand service like Oberlo. This is how Roman Atwood, a famous YouTuber with 15 million plus subscribers, launched his merchandise brand. Number 6. Launch your speaking and coaching business. YouTube is also a great place to launch your coaching and speaking career. Why? Because you're already doing both of these things on your channel. Why not turn it into a separate business and diversify your income? For example, Chris Ducker, an entrepreneur and author, used his YouTube channel to build a thriving coaching and speaking career. Number 5. Offer services through your YouTube channel. As your YouTube channel grows and you start building authority in your niche, many of your subscribers will reach out to hire your services. For example, if you create content about real estate investment, people may want to hire you to manage their portfolios. Similarly, if your channel is about website design, brands may reach out to you for hiring your design services. You can use YouTube to set up your own agency business by hiring people to do the work for you, while you keep growing your YouTube channel. Number 4. Publish sponsored content with brand partnerships. Sponsored content is another popular way YouTubers make a lot of money. It's similar to affiliate marketing in the sense that you'll promote someone else's product. However, unlike affiliate marketing, you don't get paid for generating sales or leads with sponsored content. Instead, you partner with a brand and charge a one-time fee to create a video about their product or service. You can start doing sponsored content even with a few hundred subscribers. However, you'll be able to charge more money as your subscriber base and influence grows. Number 3. Sell products as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is among the most popular ways to make money online and on YouTube. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, here's how it works. You promote someone else's products to your audience and earn a commission on every sale you refer. Why is affiliate marketing such a popular business model? Because consumers do not trust advertising anymore and seek authentic third-party reviews before buying products online. If you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche by publishing high-quality YouTube content regularly, you can easily persuade your audience to buy your recommended products. Number 2. Sell online courses to your YouTube audience. If you're an online course creator or an e-learning professional, YouTube is an ideal platform to generate leads for your business, add students to your funnel, and drive more sales. Unlike the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, selling courses on YouTube doesn't have any eligibility criteria. You only need to consistently publish high-quality content, establish authority on your topic, and persuade your viewers to buy from you. Numerous online course sellers are already doing it. Number 1. Become a YouTube Partner, advertising program. The most popular way to make money with YouTube is through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, is a monetization program that allows content creators to earn money through advertising on their YouTube videos. When you become a YouTube partner, you allow YouTube to run ads during your videos. If a viewer watches an ad on your video for at least 30 seconds or clicks a link in the ad, you earn a certain percentage of the advertising fees. How much can you earn as a YouTube partner? Ryan Kanji, the highest-earning YouTuber in 2019, made almost 90% of his YouTube earnings from the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. I hope you enjoyed this video. What you think about our video, let us know in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming releases. Check out our playlist for more great content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.